Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2011 Chevrolet Grand Sport Corvette 3LT convertible finished in torch red. The saying goes that a Corvette in any other color than red is a mistake, so this one's no mistake. This is torch red. It's beautiful. Have a look in the back here. The car comes with a shade, that's a cover for the wind deflector that you see there. So that wind deflector comes off, goes in that cover. You've got a front bra that goes on the car in case you want to put the bra on. So there it is there. It's fitted for the bra to keep stone chips off. And you'll see there it is in fabulous, like new condition, just beautiful. We'll close the trunk there and have a look at it from the back. It's got NPP performance exhaust. You can see from the back, this has got the big wide fenders, the big tires on the back, ginormous. It's got gate covers on the exhaust there to dress it up. That looks fabulous also. It's also got the Corvette logo in chrome on the back. It's got the chrome wheels, which look fabulous. It's got caliper covers there as well as painted rotors. It's got cross-drilled rotors for the Z51 portion of this car. It's got the nice carbon fiber covered rocker covers there, aero covers. So there is your wind deflector there in the back. So that's a nice little option. I'm just going to take that one off so that you see how easy it is. And it also will give me the chance then to put the top up so that you can see that. This one's got the cross flags embroidered into the seats as well as the cross flag embroidered onto the console. It's got the luxury leather with the perforated inserts. It's got the luxury floor mats with the cross flags and the Grand Sport logo on them as well. Have a look inside the door frame there as I'm climbing in. I just want to check here. There are no books with the car. However, there are all of the codes. There you go. Should be able to read them now. All the codes for the color, etc. That's for the power top right there in case you should need it. So there it is. Again, beautiful car, Bose sound system, gorgeous entry. Wow, what a beauty. And there's that beautiful waterfall, just gorgeous. Under the hood, 436 horsepower on an LS3 6.2 liter V8. Made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission, and folks, there is no corrosion there whatsoever. This car has been well babied. It has been loved every day of its life. Just awesome. There's no corrosion or anything on the hood mat there, as you can see, just a shadow, nothing else. And we'll close that hood. It's got the hash stripes on it, which are GM factory authorized with the Corvette cross flags in them as well. Here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. It's got caliper covers and painted rotors. There is 3M all over the front bumper and the headlights, so that's a good protection, as well as it has the bra that could go on it. It's got a lowered license plate frame holder so that it gets it off the front nose of the car, and you can see it is gorgeous. Also has the hash stripes on this side. Here are your wheels and tires. Tires are brand new on the back, nearly new on the front. Michelin tires in fabulous condition. Cross-drilled rotors, everything there. The gills have the stainless steel grills in them as well, so everything in order there. Good looking rocker covers down at the bottom there. That's a great little aero pack. And there's your other wheel, no curb rash, no issues, just fabulous. On the driver's door, you can see power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got the driver memory package right there, as well as the power seats have both size power and multifunction adjustments for the lumbar and side bolsters. Airbags in the sides as well, the cross flags embroidered. Just a beautiful car. So let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Push button start. I'll close the door so it doesn't ding ding on us. Over here you're going to see the navigation. So we've got factory nav there, dual zone automatic air conditioning. You've got heated seats down there, fully automatic transmission, magnetic selective ride and handling, so you can change it from tour to sport, back and forth at the flick of a button. There is your factory navigation. Up here, kilometers, 51,630. You've got heads-up display right there, which you should be able to see through there. Let me just move them up. You can see me moving it up and down. Let me make it brighter so that you can see it for sure. You can change the pages, change the mode, all of those features right there on the heads-up display. It's got OnStar on it, everything there. So let's now put the top up and just show you how that operates. And once it's up, we just turn this handle, and that's it. It's locked up. Put the windows up now. Nice deep tinted glass on the windows. You've got steering wheel controls here, as well as the heads-up display, all the features on a 3LT, even the factory nav, and magnetic selective ride. So lots of toys here. Have a look in the door frame there as I'm getting out. Good looking car. All the options. Lots of extra features, really well loved. That looks great, doesn't it? It's also got 3M on the bottom of the doors there. You can see that line there, that's just from the 3M that they put there for stone protection. If you don't like it, pull it off, but it's in the midst right now of protecting the car. So listen to that chug at the back, that is fabulous. It also has mild to wild on it, so you can make that exhaust loud or quiet with just flick of a button in your hand. So, good looking car. Let me just see if I can do that quickly right here. Here's the keys. So just push off. There it goes. So now it's quiet by pushing that button, and there it goes on. Off, on. So, mild to wild, it's got all the features, even a little wind blind for the back. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2011 Chevrolet Grand Sport convertible, torch red, tons of options, great car. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.